Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Windows 10 powered iBall CompBook Merit G9 launched in India. iBall, which is known for launching affordable tablets and laptops today, added yet another laptop to its lineup. Dubbed as the iBall CompBook Merit G9, this laptop runs Windows 10 and is powered by the Intel Celeron N3350 processor. iBall promises that the laptop is capable of delivering 6 hours of battery life, and this new model is a smaller version of the iBall CompBook Premio V2.0, which was launched back in February 2018. The new model is priced at Rs 13,999. iBall CompBook Merit G9. The Merit G9 comes in a single cobalt blue color option and weighs 1.1 kilograms. iBall is claiming the new model as a lightweight laptop in its price range. The Merit G9 sports an 11.6-inch HD display with a resolution of 1366 x 768 pixels, and it's a touchscreen laptop too. There's a touchpad as well placed below the keyboard, but this laptop cannot be used as convertible. Internally, the iBall CompBook Merit G9 is powered by the Intel Celeron N335 processor with a clock speed of 2.4 GHz. The chipset works in tandem with 2 GB of DDR3 RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 128 GB with a microSD card. For users who want to install an HDD or SSD, there's an option for that too. iBall CompBook Merit G9 fits perfectly, catering the everyday computing needs, and is built to focus on design and premium functionality. It is an all-in-one laptop balanced with premium looks and functionality, designed for the day-to-day performance, Sandeep Paras-Rampuria, CEO and director of iBall said in a statement. The laptop is backed by a 5000 mAh battery, which is rated to deliver 6 hours of battery life in general working conditions. Furthermore, iBall says that the machine can offer up to 7 hours of video playback in the offline mode and 20 hours of audio playback in the offline mode. It rocks a 0.3MP web camera for video calling purposes and comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack too. Connectivity options include a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports and an HDMI v.1.4 port. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.